Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you very simple, easy upholstery for my chair. I'm going to make a cover. I have a chair over here, little chair, which I want to make a cover for them. What I did already over here, I cut a piece of material. This is leftover material that I had that I wanted to do it. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side. So one side already, let me show you here. I turn the material and I put the Velcro. Today I'm going to do this with the Velcro. I already put the Velcro here, and then we have to put the Velcro in this part. It's going to be just like this. It's going to, the cover, it's going to hug the pillow. Now you can do it on the sides or you can put it on top, which you push this more behind and you do this and you bring it here. You put the other Velcro here in case, if so, you want to put it on the chair so it doesn't show from the sides the stitches. We want both sides a little bit like 1 inch shorter. So when we put the pillow, when we sew the both sides, it will be easy for us to open close it, but at the same time we want a little shorter. So this way we can sew the both sides easier. All right, this is the way it's going to be. So this part, it has to be under. So when it meets each other, it's going to be just like this. Okay, so now this part I sew it. Now I'm going to put the other side. It's very easy and simple. We have to make sure both material are even. We're going to put a pin right there because that's where we want to put, so they'll meet each other exactly the right place. It's very simple project it is, and it's very good. You'll be proud of yourself that you did. So this is the way we have to sew. Now we're going to put a pin here and a pin the other side to hold it. Always when you put the pin, you just make sure you put towards to you, so when you sew it, you can pull it easy the needle out, so it doesn't break your machine needle. You don't want to get a new one all the time. All right, now you see it. You can put one in the middle too if you want, so it doesn't move, to be easier for you, not to have hard time. There you go. All right, now we're gonna sew, so when after we do it, it will hug each other very nicely. All right, now we're gonna sew this. Now you put this foot bottom, the feet, you put the feet down. And just like you see, the Velcro has both sides over here. It has empty space material that you can sew from here. You don't have to go on top. But if you go a little bit, it's okay. But the both sides are empty. You will see it. That's where you sew your stitches. Okay, now we're gonna do this. Always make sure you have extra thread the top part, because every time you sew it runs out. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna sew this. It's such a nice project. All right, now that you reach to the needle, you make sure you take it out. You don't want to break it. All right, now I'm sewing it. All right, now we're gonna put the needle down. Oh, there is a needle here, we have to move out. All right, let's keep this down. Let's turn the material this way. All right. I want to go backward again one more time and go forward. All right, keep this down and go here one more time. So, all right, well, this part is done. Now we're done with this. We're gonna see how the cover is hugging the pillow. So this is the way we're gonna keep it. So now what we have to do, we have to take both sides 1 inch, 1 inch. But before that, we have to turn the other side this way. We're gonna put like this because we wanna cover it from there, so it brings the material together here to be even both sides. What we have to do now, the both sides 1 inch, we have to take it inside. There you go. So what we do, we just put a pin to make it easier for us. We can do without putting pin, but because we're just starting, so it will be nice to put a pin so we know where we are sewing. So they will look just like this inside. So it will look nice line over here. We want the pillow the material to hug the pillow. Okay, so here this way. And then we're just gonna go straight, completely like a box, and then we will open it and we will take the pillow out. Oh, and then besides that, what we have to do, even over here, we have to put, even though it's 1 inch, we just wanna make sure they come, the material together. So we put the pin here, we put the pin the bottom, because we are pulling, and we have to put the pin in the other side, separate. There you go. Here, we do the same thing, the other side. You can fold them together, you can make exactly the measurement, like to know how much you have to take, or you can just do it just the same as you did the other part. Here, we hold this like this together, and we put the pin. We put on the top one. We put the bottom part. With this one, we hold it like this, so it's here. And we put to the bottom one when they are coming together. So there is a place over here. There you go. So now we have all safe and secure. We know where we are going to sew. I can put one on the top and one the bottom. Here we go. And now we can take it out. There. More or less you're going to be able to tell it's like 1 inch from both sides. We're just going to go straight. And here, like you see here, that even though this is how we have to sew that together, we're going to cover this together like this. Make sure they are even, the line, and even the sides. And you just go straight down. You have over here those lines, you follow to your line. It looks like it's not the last one, last after. But it's okay if you move a little bit, it's not gonna hurt or do so much harm to you. All right, okay, the first stitch, always hold your thread, because sometimes when you start, the top part, the thread comes out. All right, let's do first like this and then go backwards. Just to secure that, yes. There you go. And then we'll go slowly, no rush. While you're sewing, you can always pay attention if it's passing the line. It means you're going way too much in. So just gently, be careful, don't rush. Just do it slowly, slowly. All right, we arrive to the needle. We take this out. We don't want any. There is so much fringes paper thread that you can clean it later on. I have to tell you, I've done my dining room table chairs. I didn't have to go buy new chairs. And when I did the cover, they look like a brand new from the store. All right, now we have to go backward again and leave again. There you go. See, now it's nice and covered. Now we're gonna do the other side. All right. Over here, like I said, it's a 3-layer, so we have to be very careful that it doesn't break the machine. We have to take the needle out. Now we have to go straight down. Remember, follow to your line over here that you see those lines. So it doesn't go too much in and out, in and out. A little bit, it's okay if you miss it, but just be careful. We have to take the needle out. I have to say, this is a leftover material that I saved it. I recycled stuff that it looks beautiful, nice. Let's go one more in, go backward, forward. So this way, the corners, they won't open the stitches. Okay, now it looks like we're done here. Okay, when you're gonna put your pillow in, to make it easy for you, now we have over here the Velcro. You keep it on the wrong side, you hold both sides, just fold it, and you go little by little inside, little bit this from here, little bit the other way, so it doesn't stretch or tear or anything your work. There you go. And here it is, beautiful pillow. Looks beautiful. We bring out the corners. So this is how we have to put. Now, I did already the big one. This one I did it with the zipper. Some other time I can show you how. It's not difficult. If you can't do alone, just ask your husband to come to help you, or your kids. Even though I put the white zipper, I could have put black, but whatever I had handy, and because this is going to be in the back of the chair, so it's okay. Here it is. This is the back part, of course. We have to put it in the back like this. And here you have a brand new chair with cover. Let's see how good it's going to look. I think it looks beautiful and very comfortable. Well, I hope you'll try it. It's a very good project. You can change your chair covers, you can change anything you want. And I thank you very, very much. Bye-bye.